Hey y'all, it is a cold day in Branson, Missouri, and we... Why are we...
What you consider it's a cold day in hell? I don't know. Sausage stuffing. It'll be a cold day in hell before we make it. Sorry.
Okay, ready? Okay, I don't even know what to say now. God. Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri, and I have my hunk of burning love with me today. This is all his idea. He wants to make some sausage balls.
It's not like I created a recipe.
We know you can't create a recipe.
Yeah, no, I don't want to get all the credit here.
People ask me all the time, is your husband in the back cooking? If I'm out front, they'll say, is your husband in the back cooking? And I'm like, no. My husband thinks cereal comes with milk on it.
No, I don't even eat cereal, so you know better than that.
It's a joke.
Oh.
It's a joke because you don't.
Can't cook.
Right.
I don't have to. I have a hot wife that does.
Right.
But I can eat.
That's right. That's right. Okay, so we are not making this recipe the way that we saw it because we found something else.
Yeah.
So the original recipe calls for stovetop stuffing mix, but I found this. And I love everything Kinder's. Don't you, babe?
I do. The seasoning, everything we've had.
Everything
awesome.
that we try.
Oh, the
Kinder's.
onion, the right over
The
here.
French fried onions. The French fried onions. Oh my gosh.
And they're gone. Here they are.
No. Everything Kinder's makes. Their seasoning. You guys, Kinder's, call me. I will be your representative. Okay, so we're going to try the sausage balls.
I hope it is good after all that.
I know, right?
Just kidding.
So we're going to try the sausage balls with this. So it comes in these packages. We're going to double the recipe. So we have 2 boxes of these. Our oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We have 2 cups of boiling water boiling on the stove.
Do we have double sausage? Because it calls for 1 pound.
I know it does, but I'm only going to use 1 pound of sausage.
Well, that's not really double the recipe.
I know, but I felt like there's a lot of sausage in there.
You can never have too much sausage.
I know, but I
Let's
think...
supposed to pour that in there?
Yes. Good job.
Thank goodness.
Okay.
And you say I can't cook.
Right? Okay, so 2 of these, 2 cups of boiling water. 2 cups of boiling water in there.
These are just croutons, aren't they?
It looks like it.
Oh, those are so good. Try one.
Okay.
I'm
Delicious.
telling you.
All right. Open that sausage up for us.
Sage sausage.
Sage sausage. We're using Jimmy Dean's sage sausage. So make sure and get this.
Okay.
Mixed in real good with the hot water.
Push some more in
Oh,
there.
sorry. Let me get it. There we go. All right. 1 package of sage sausage. And then we're going to do 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And I shredded this myself.
Found out something the other day.
Oh, gosh. I need another glove, babe. Because I'm going to have to roll these. Yeah, I'm going to have to roll these up. If you'll go ahead and glove me.
We always get the child size ones.
Thank you. Got it. All right.
So
What'd you find
I found
out?
out something the other day, and I don't know. Maybe everyone knows it.
This is going to be perfect.
You know how you say turkey and dressing, where you hear stuffing.
Yeah, turkey dressing.
So
Yep.
if you cook your turkey and you put it inside the turkey, that's stuffing. But if you cook it on the side, then that's
Dressing.
dressing. I didn't know that. Did you?
I did know that.
But it's the same.
I don't know why I knew that or how I knew that.
Okay, there's 2 kinds of ways to have stuffing or dressing. I like the dry kind, but some
Pull my
people like
sleeve up
the.
for me, babe. Thanks.
You like the wet?
I
stuffing
like
or the
yeah.
dry? See, I like the dry.
Yeah, you like it more cakey. Okay,
But my favorite is stovetop.
then you're gonna love this. Okay, so you're just gonna make some little balls, just like that. We're just gonna pop them right on here and put them in the oven. This will be a real crowd pleaser. At a church social, at a church fellowship. Yeah. I gotta know who. I gotta know who brought what before I'm eating. Because
Okay.
you know that old song? You can't eat at everybody's
Right,
house.
and I understand that people are like that.
You can't eat at everybody's house.
But it's like, what about yesterday when you stopped at McDonald's and ate?
I don't stop at McDonald's
Or,
and eat.
okay, any restaurant. Like, you're going to go back there and interview everybody. And all right, can we ovenize
Oh, yeah,
this?
let's ovenize it. Ovenize it. Get them in the oven, and you
All right.
have enough for another pan.
Top or bottom oven?
I think the top one is 22 minutes at 375. Sizzling hot. They look delicious. Okay.
While they were in the oven, I made up a sauce by reaching in the fridge. And
Okay.
so what you want to do is you want to squirt this on
Mustard
the plate.
does not sound good on that.
Really?
No. No,
Okay.
it doesn't. Hey, there's a bag of behind that Dr. Pepper. See that bag?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
This?
Yes. Cranberry salad. That sounds good.
Are you pregnant?
Oh God, no. Try.
Oh, that's perfect.
Look at that crunchy on the bottom. That looks so good.
Mmm.
You know what I think though? I think you could make them a little smaller, a little more bite
I
sized.
thought you were going to say bigger. Hey, anything's bite size if they big enough bite. No.
Because it's left over
We're
from
going to have to
Thanksgiving.
agree to disagree.
But I'm just going to try it by itself first.
Mm.
But it's so...
That is good.
They're pretty, but they could use a little greenery. Maybe some parsley.
Why?
Just to make them a little prettier. Like
Would you taste the
for a
parsley?
party.
Would you taste the parsley in it?
Yes.
If I saw these, I mean, that's
It's good. I like this crunchy part. So crunchy.
so good.
That's a hit.
This is good.
So, you can use stovetop stuffing mix and use the hot water, or you can just use this Kinder's that we found. So good. And I don't know, I don't know how long they're going to have that. Because, you know, it's...
I'm going to go get me a pallet of it tomorrow. Because I can eat stuffing year round. So that,
Me
stovetop.
too. Me too. I like it. I'm going to get a little bite of that with the cranberry.
Definitely ask for this when you come in the restaurant.
That's good. Don't ask
Don't
for
ask
this,
for it.
but these are good.
I mean, you ask for it, you're just not going to get it.
These are really, really good.
Oh, yeah. And they probably need to sit for a
If you
minute.
take these to a party, you are going to be the star.
Yep.
So good.
Or if you're already the star when you get there just because of who you are, you're going to be like, I don't know. You're my star.
Aw.
My movie star.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good idea. He just comes up with them.
No, I don't. I just literally like scrolling
Actually,
Craigslist
yes,
or Facebook or
He scrolls and he finds
what's the
them
other
and
one?
he sends them to
YouTube,
me. Yes.
TikTok.
All right. So if you are in Branson, Missouri, oh, let me get out of your way.
Yeah.
If you are,
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought we were eating.
If you are in Branson, Missouri, come and see us here at Local Flavor.
Or if you're not, get up here. What are you doing? with
That's
yourself?
right. If you're not, come and see us. We would love to have you for lunch or supper. And we are open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 8:30. And we're right on the strip on 76 Country
We're
Boulevard.
open Sunday.
And we're open Sunday, 11 to 2.
And Monday we're closed.
We're closed on Mondays.
Day off
That's right.
to fix stuff.
That's right. That's usually what we do. So we would love to have you. Love meeting everybody. Come and see us.
Can I finish now?
Can you tell them bye?
Oh, we'll see you guys later. Can I finish?
Yes.
So good.